Hey, crypto family. Hope you're all having a good weekend. So, most of the market today is in the red, but there are a couple coins that are in the green. You can see Litecoin is up 5.5% to $35. Tron is up 1.7% to 2.2 cents. And then Cardano is up 6.3% to 4.6 cents. So, I'm actually going to go over why Cardano and Litecoin are up so much in a couple news articles. So, first news article is about Cardano, and it says Cardano price forecast. Cardano will rise in 2019, and here's why. Cardano price prediction 2019. So it says, over the past few months, Cardano has proven itself a stable currency when compared to many other cryptocurrencies in the market. So far, the team behind the coin has made significant progress with many plans to help the coin reach its full potential. And it says, Cardano's achievements now and in the future. So, one of the most significant achievements of the team is the introduction of a new paper wallet, which is more advanced than the previous version, making it safer and more efficient. So wallets are actually more important than coins as they determine how safe coins will be. So it says, as an investor, you need a secure place to keep your coins. The new Cardano wallet will boost its credibility and as it makes investors more likely to buy the coin. So, and it also talks about their partnership with MedApps Plus. It says the partnership is on the way between Cardano and MedApps Plus. By the time the partnership starts, the price of Cardano will spike. MedApps Plus is one of the largest mobile companies in South Korea, and entering into partnership with it will help Cardano build a reputation in the country. This will also lead to an increase in the use of the ADA coin. With these factors and more combined, Cardano believers believe that a break in price in on the way, and the coin might sell as high as $10 next year. So let me first say $10 next year is a outrageous prediction, and I do not think in no way it'll reach $10. We may see a dollar over a dollar again this year, but again, $10 is a huge outlandish prediction, so I do not agree with this. But I do believe there is some growth in Cardano in the future, and just looking at it from a investment perspective and just how much growth it can have. So again, it's at 4.6 cents, but it did get as high as $1.20. So again, that is just something to look out for, or $1.15, sorry. So just keep that in mind whenever, buying some of these coins as well. There is a lot of appreciation, but also the backing behind the company, not just how high it can grow from its highs in 2017. So again, just wanted to keep that in mind. And next, we're actually going to look at Litecoin and why it has risen so much today. So it says Litecoin jumps 11%, nears XLM in market cap. Bitcoin cryptocurrency Litecoin. While most investors focus on the price movement of Bitcoin as it nears 4,000, Litecoin has quietly posted the highest price gain on the day for coins ranked in the top 10. And it says, while 2018 was an abysmal year for Litecoin and nearly all tokens, with Litecoin falling over 90%, the currency is off to a strong start in the first week of 2019. So right now, Litecoin is at an intraday high of $36, but it's also trading off of recent news out of the cryptocurrency exchange OKEX. So on January 3rd, OKEX announced expanded support for its perpetual swap feature, including the addition of Litecoin, Ethereum, and XRP, among several other currencies. So, as you know, perpetual swap features, with that announcement on OKEX has a huge amount of volume. So, again, that could be a reason why we've seen Ethereum rise so much as well as Litecoin. But again, I don't think this is the only reason, because you got to remember, Litecoin is the cryptocurrency sponsoring the UFC. So they announced that whenever that fight between John Jones and Alexander Gustafsson, UFC 232, it had a viewership of over 2 million people. And they actually showed Litecoin on there and mentioned that as the official sponsor of the UFC, the official cryptocurrency sponsor. So again, that is a lot of exposure that Litecoin received on December 26th. And again, you have to keep that in mind that it was December 29th. You have to keep that in mind whenever you see these exposures and just, how much media attention that these different coins are getting, because that does matter in determining, a lot of investors basically invest off of what they see off TV but the more times they see a coin, the more likely they are to invest in it. So keep that in mind. And I believe that's another reason why Litecoin is rising so much in the past couple of weeks. And then it says Charlie Lee, Litecoin's founder, also contributed to the positive development on the day by retweeting that Litecoin Lightning Network has surpassed 100 active nodes. So again, there's a lot of developments going on in Litecoin. Now, whether or not, I think Litecoin will rise a lot in the future, it's still tough to say. It is a great cryptocurrency. It's been the top 10 for a long time. But again, always do your own research when investing in these coins and never invest what you can afford to lose. Now, I'm going to go over some Bitcoin analysis here. So With Bitcoin, we can see it's at 37.97. So it's flirting with that 3,800 level. So this was support, but now I'm going to make it resistance because we are currently below it. So this 3,800 is a very important level. You can see here, it's had trouble, holding above 3,800. So I believe if we cannot hold above 3,800, then we could be seeing further downside to that 3,600 level, which has acted as major support. So right now we do see the 50-day is still above the 128-day moving average, and then that's still above the 200-day moving average. So we still do have a positive trend going, but it's flirting with that 50-day moving average as well that coincides with this 3,800. So again, I believe it's very important that we keep this. Right now, the RSI is around 50. So again, it could go either way. One thing to keep in mind is when the markets are slow like this, that's how your trading needs to be, very slow. Don't make any rash decisions. Don't try to make 10, 20 trades and try to catch, scalps just because you're bored with the market. So this is how a lot of investors lose money, is during these times of consolidation and sideways price movement, okay? If you have coins you're holding, just continue to hold them and wait until we move one way or the other, and always set your stops and take profits accordingly. So with that, if y'all enjoyed this video, please give it a like and comment if you haven't, and please subscribe if you haven't. I really appreciate it. It helps me out. Until next time, thanks for watching.